Welcome back. I'll be showing you two easy ways on how to make your nutritious and healthy Guinea corn fufu or swallow, so stay tuned. So to make this healthy Guinea corn fufu or swallow, you can decide to use your Guinea corn flour. Check out my video on how to make your Guinea corn flour at home. You can bind this fufu by adding oatmeal, plantain, cassava, or anything that you like. So for the second method, if you don't want to use the Guinea corn flour, you can use the Guinea corn by washing the Guinea corn. Please make sure that you wash the Guinea corn properly to remove sand or any dirty. Then I will add the Guinea corn into the blender. You can also decide to add oats, plantain, in order to make it to be more healthy. So I'm going to be adding plantain. You can also decide to not add any of this. Add enough water to blend it. With a powerful blender, you're going to blend it until smooth. So when I'm done blending the Guinea corn and the plantain, you just pour it into the pot and start stirring. While for the Guinea corn flour, you just add water into the pot, add the Guinea corn flour, add the oat if you want to add that, then continue stirring so that the Guinea corn and the oat powder will mix properly into the water. For the two methods, you just need constant stirring to avoid lumps. So you keep on stirring. When you notice that it has cooked and you decide to add more water to make it to cook further or to soften it more, you can add that. So continue watching. The Guinea corn swallow is ready. Guinea corn swallow is a healthy fufu recipe that is high in fiber. It will help to aid digestion, bloating, constipation. It will also help to lower cholesterol level, good for weight loss, and it is an excellent source of energy for the body. I hope you try this Guinea corn fufu recipe, and thank you all for watching.